Hello friends, welcome to Wide Rhyme. Now today we will discuss the difference between determinate and indeterminate structures. Here if we see in determinate structures, when the forces in a structure is determined from equilibrium equations, that is Fx, Fy and Fz. But here in indeterminate structures, beyond equilibrium equations there were some unknown forces that were developed in this structure, and it is also known as statically indeterminate structure. If we move to the second point, support will not develop moment and horizontal force to prevent collapse. It means that the structure acts as a whole rigid body. So if the second point of indeterminate structure says that support will develop moment and horizontal force to prevent collapse, मतलब यहाँ पर जो मूवमेंट और हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस डेवलप होते हैं वो किसके लिए डेवलप होते हैं? टू प्रिवेंट कोलैप्स. लेकिन वहीं ऐसा डिटर्मिनेट स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं है, क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? एक्ट्स एज ए होल मास. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट, नो लोड redistribution occurs, but in indeterminate structure there is a tendency to redistribute load. Now the fourth point, bending moment and shear force at any section of beam is independent of material property and cross section of the structure. But here in indeterminate, the bending moment and shear force at any section of beam is depends on the material property and cross section of the structure. Now the fifth point, in determinate structures there were no stresses due to lack of fit and temperature variations. टेम्परेचर के बदलने से या फिर लैक ऑफ फिट की वजह से there were no stresses, but here stress is caused due to lack of fit and temperature variations. Now it came to know that the construction of determinate structure is easier as compared to indeterminate structures. Here we can conclude that the structure must be prismatic. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, then please share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.